Hello, my name is Jonathan Ibarra, and I am a first-year student majoring in chemistry.
Hi, I'm Nayara Goni, a third-year student majoring in biochemistry. Welcome to the Shared Instrumentation Lab campaign. At UCLA's Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry, we believe in the power of hands-on experience. The Shared Instrumentation Lab campaign is a transformative opportunity to shape the future of scientific discovery.
By supporting this campaign, you're helping elevate the Biochemistry Instrumentation Facility and the Molecular Instrumentation Center, two cornerstone resources in the department. I hope future students will be able to utilize the newer equipment and resources to push the bounds of research, even more than we already have. Right now, your donation can have twice the impact. Thanks to our department's generous gift matching program, every dollar you give will be matched, dollar for dollar, doubling the difference you make.
And that's just the beginning. For gifts between $5,000 and $100,000, we're offering an incredible 2-to-1 match. That means your $5,000 gift becomes $15,000, tripling the impact of your contribution and accelerating this campaign's success.
As a current student, I'm so grateful for those who have supported the Shared Instrumentation Lab campaign. It's because of donors like you that I can pursue my research with confidence, knowing that I have the tools to succeed.
Thank you to our past donors for making this possible. And to our future supporters, we couldn't do it without you. Together, we can create a brighter, more innovative future for all.
Go Bruins!